Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be testing Spectracide Weed Stop for lawns. We should see visible results in just 3 hours. You need simply attach this bottle to your garden hose and spray it. And this product kills over 460 weeds. We need to apply this product between 45 and 90 degrees. Today is a little bit above 80. And we will not have any rain in the next few days. Attach this bottle to your garden hose. To start spraying, pull the switch. Remove the safety top from the sprayer's right side. Before spraying, do not forget to shake the bottle really well. I am walking at a steady pace, spraying using an even sweeping motion, slightly overlapping treated areas. What I like about this bottle that you can actually see how much product have left in it, and it's really convenient when you're spraying. So here are my final thoughts about this product. It is actually really good. I'm gonna keep using it in the future. However, this product does not kill crabgrass, so if you have crabgrass in your lawn, you need to find another product. Also, on the label it says it kills yellow nutsedge. However, to see actual results, it's gonna take at least 21 days. And this is the final result after 14 days. I do not have any weeds in my lawn except crabgrass. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.